Today, I'll show you how to cancel your Ionos website quickly and correctly using the Ionos control panel. We'll go through each step slowly so you can follow along without missing anything, and I'll point out a few things to watch for along the way. First, make sure you're signed in to your Ionos account and that you're on the main control panel page. This is your central dashboard where you manage your domains, websites, email, and billing. If you're not already on that page after logging in, look for an option that says something like control panel or home and click that so you're starting from the right place. Once you're in the control panel, you'll need to open the main menu. Look toward the top of the page for the menu option. This may appear as the word menu or as a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on menu and a list of account-related sections will appear. From this menu, choose My Account and then select Contracts and Subscriptions. This is where Ionos groups all of your active contracts, such as website packages, hosting plans, and any additional services you might have purchased. Give the page a moment to load, especially if you have several services. Sometimes it can take a few seconds for everything to appear. Now, you'll see a list of contracts associated with your account. Each contract usually has a name that reflects what it includes, such as your website or hosting package. Take a moment to carefully identify the contract that corresponds to the website you want to cancel. It's important to select the right one so you don't accidentally cancel something you still need, like email hosting or a different site. When you've found the correct contract, click directly on the contract name. This will open a detailed view of that specific contract, showing you information such as the type of plan, any included services, and the current status. This page is also where you'll find the options to manage or terminate the contract. In this contract view, look for an option that says Cancel Entire Contract. This is usually presented as a button or link. Clicking Cancel Entire Contract tells Ionos that you want to terminate everything that's part of this contract, including the website associated with it. After you click this option, Ionos may guide you through a short cancellation process. You might be asked to confirm your decision, choose a reason for cancelling, or review the date when the cancellation will take effect. Read each screen carefully. If there is a confirmation button, make sure you click it so your cancellation is actually submitted. Once you've completed those steps, you should see a confirmation message on the screen, and you may also receive a confirmation email. It's a good idea to keep that email for your records just in case you need proof of when you cancelled. And that's it. You've cancelled your Ionos website by going through the control panel, opening the menu, navigating to My Account, selecting Contracts and Subscriptions, choosing the contract you want, and using the Cancel Entire Contract option.